Hello everyone, this is Ed Otto. We have 16 years of experience in manufacturing motor sensors and we make your driving safer. So today we are in our factory to show you how we assemble as well as how we test our products before we send them to you. So why not take it all with us? These are our raw materials in making the different sensors. This product is installed in high temperatures and this is its normal value.
它设置的阀值是0.2吧，已经超过0.28了。
Our products are tested 3 to 4 times before they can be delivered to you, so that you can receive high quality products. As you can see here, these are our finished tested products. This is our core part section. We'll do a ceramic protected layer on the oxygen sensor. We use this machine to spray. We spend a lot of money every year in our research and development and maintenance of this equipment. This is a high quality, high temperature anthracite oil. The product is being applied to high temperatures anthracite oil, which can effectively prevent the product from being locked in the exhaust pipe because thermal function is compromised. So here is the product and here is our final product. Our staff are doing the laser on the product. We can also customize your product. You just need to let us know, then we can do it for you. This is our warehouse where we store your stock. So we'll be able to deliver your product within 1 week when you make the order. So this is where your product come out. These products are for Honda and for Benz. So this is our warehouse where we store our product. So you'll be able to receive your product within 1 week when you make your order. This is for Nissan and Mazda. This is for Hyundai and Kia. We put Hyundai products in this warehouse. It will take us about 1 week to deliver your products. This is the product. Hi everyone, this is an Auto Parts Factory with 16 years of experience, and our parts have 1 year warranty. Our parts have 1 year warranty. Today we are going to show you around our office. This is our office. As you can see, we have different types of NOx oxygen sensors. Here is an open NOx oxygen sensor, so we can see the components inside. So if you're interested in our products, do well to contact us.